first thing you're going to need to do is take off the negative terminal of your battery so that you don't trip anything up while you're taking out your airbags. So the first thing you'll need is the energy hub for your car. This is the energy hub for the 2008-2014 WRX or STI. You'll need this, and you'll need a steering wheel. Now for the quick release, I picked the SRK 2.0 black. You could really get any other gen you want. I just figured I'd get black so it matches everything. So the steering wheel I went with is the Sparco R350 silicon. And with that, I also got the dual Sparco horn buttons. So this is optional. You guys do not need the quick release portion. You guys could just get the steering wheel and the hub and mount it straight. But I decided to get this quick release so I could take off the steering wheel whenever I want. The next thing you'll need to do is take off the airbag. In order to do that, you need to get these two T30 screws out. There's one here and one directly on the other side. Alright, so after taking off the T30 bolts, the airbag should just come off. You got some connections in there you gotta take off. I recommend getting a flathead screwdriver and popping off those yellow tabs up first, and then it should clip out. Next, you're going to want a 17 mil and remove that middle nut. After you take out the nut in the middle, don't unbolt it all the way, just leave it at the end, and then start banging on your steering wheel until it gets loose, and then you can take off the nut. Next thing you want to do is go over to your old steering wheel and take out these connections that you'll need for your horn and your cruise control buttons if you still want them. Okay, so after putting it on, I realized that it's a hassle to use the cruise control because you just have to extend all these wires and put it somewhere custom and do some custom work, and I don't feel like doing that, and I really don't use cruise control as much, so I think I'm just gonna chop it off, but keep this one. This is really important because this is your horn. The rest, I guess I'm just gonna chop it off. Okay, so the next thing I did is I put the energy hub on and I fed the airbag wires through the top, and I put my horn wire in between the hub and the top plastic instead because I have the Sparco buttons plugged in like that. Next thing I'm going to do is just put the Sparco buttons on top like that, grab the NRG quick release, bolt it in, and the rest should be straightforward. So the energy quick release, make sure you got the dot at the top facing towards the dot of your Sparco. Adapter part. This is so sick. Quick release with the steering wheel. It's pretty heavy. It's not that bad though. Let's go install it. The next step is to put your negative battery terminal back on and tighten it. Alright, so now that I got the negative battery terminal plugged back in, the airbag light should not be on. Oh, went away. There you go. How sick is that? For some reason the horn button isn't working. What I found out though is if you touch this horn button to a ground, it goes off. So basically what you need to do is cut one of these wires and ground it somewhere, and then this switch will become your horn. And that's all, folks. There it is, guys. There's the Sparco steering wheel installed, the quick release, and the energy hub.